Read the problem and tell me what are the things that are given in the statement and what do you need to find.
Ma'am, we have to find permeability of iron, and we are given about other different things like the current and the magnetic field, etc.
So the problem says that there is a ring. Okay, mean diameter of the ring is 15 centimeters. So dm is equivalent to 15 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Okay, and the area of cross section is given to be 1.7 centimeter square that you need to convert into meter square. So A will be equivalent to 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 4, I think so. Okay, so that you put it in meter square. All right, and then it is having a radial gap. Air gap length is given to be 0.5 mm that you need to convert again into meter into 10 to the power minus 3 whole to 2. Then plus number of turns is specified to be 1500, and the current is also given I is equal to 1 ampere, and the flux is specified to be zero point 0.1 milliweber, and they've asked you to calculate relative permeability of iron. So mu r they have asked, right? And they also told you that there is no magnetic leakage, so you need not consider or worry about the leakage factor. Okay. So how will you be able to solve this problem with the given data? Any idea? Think of some way in which you will be able to solve this given problem. Rajshri, you mute your mic. Rajshri. Okay, think of some way in which you will be able to find out mu r. What are the formulae with the help of which you will be able to solve for mu r?
Mu by mu naught.
What are the various mu by mu naught? Mu by mu naught, any formula is there mu by mu
Ma'am,
naught?
sorry ma'am, that no ma'am, wrong assumption.
Think of all the formula that we have discussed in the earlier class. You are having formula for B that is equivalent to 5 divided by that you cannot use. B is equal to mu H that also you cannot use. Then what are the other formulas? So many formulae we have discussed. No. What is formula for reluctance?
L by mu naught into mu naught R into A.
L by mu naught mu R. Okay. A.
Yes.
Alright, so this is the reluctance formula. So if you are in some way, if you are able to get out the value of the reluctance of the iron path, then by using this formula, you will be able to find out mu r value. Okay, that is how we are going to solve this problem. Area is directly given, that is known, that is 1.7 centimeter square. Mu naught you know. Now, how I will find the mean length of the iron path? Mean length of the iron path I need to find, and plus reluctance I need to find. If these two are known to me, then I can easily substitute in this formula and I can find out what is mu r. So how will I be able to find out Li, that is the iron path length? You know there is a formula pi d, okay, but you are having that air gap also here. So the total length, mean length minus that air gap length, if you are able to negate, then you will be able to get the mean length of the iron alone. Okay, so what is Lg? What is Lg that is given in the problem? Length of the air gap.
0.5 mm.
Huh? Point?
5
5
mm.
mm.
0.5 mm, that is to be substituted here. Then what is D? D is given to be 15 centimeter. Okay, so you by using this formula, you will be able to calculate the mean length of the ion. That is easy. But you need to find out S ion also. That is reluctance of the ion path alone. You need to determine. Okay. So how will you do that? How will you do that with the given data? These are the given data. I want to find S ion alone. Okay. So if this is nothing but series magnetic circuit, so if I am to get the total reluctance, that is actually the sum of the reluctance of the ion path plus the air gap. Okay. So if I am able to find out the reluctance of the air gap, if I am able to find out the total reluctance, then by negating these two, I will be able to find out the reluctance of the ion path. Okay, so what is the formula for finding out reluctance of the air gap? Will I be able to find out reluctance, total reluctance? What is the reluctance of the air gap first? Tell me the formula. I want reluctance of the air gap. Same formula, L divided by, actually Lg divided by
mu naught A.
Mu naught into it.
A into mu naught. Okay, so mu naught is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. A is 1.7 into that 10 to the power minus 4 or something you have to get. And then Lg is 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, so you this way you will be able to find out reluctance of the air gap. The next thing is you need to find out the total reluctance. So total reluctance is given by what formula? There is one relationship that is relating reluctance, MMF and flux. No, what is the formula? What is the relationship that is correlating reluctance, MMF and flux?
Reluctance is equal to mmf divided by flux.
Ma'am,
MMF divided by flux. So flux is given, okay, but MMF, how can I find out MMF? What is the formula for finding out MMF? What is the unit for MMF? Ampere turns. What is the formula?
NI.
HL. Oh, no.
Ni. Yeah, both Ni is given or not given?
Yes, ma'am. Number of turns
Again,
and
we question.
current.
Ni is given or not? Number of turns is given, I is given. So flux is also known to you. You can use this formula to find out the total reluctance. Then you can find out the reluctance of the air gap. Then you can find out the reluctance of the ion path and finally mu r. So this is the way you will be solving the problem, or any other methodology you want to implement, or any other formula that is open to you only. So solve the problem and tell me the answer. So what is your total reluctance now? That is equivalent to MMF divided by flux. So N into I divided by flux. Tell me what is the answer. N is 1500, I is 1 ampere, phi is 0.1 milliampere. Solve it and tell me what is the total reluctance value. Are you people solving? It's equivalent to 1500 into 1 divided by 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 3. It should take 2 minutes only if you are solving it by calculator. What is the answer? Nobody has solved it. You could also use your mobile calculator or you could use your computer calculator. So many possibilities are there and still you are not answering from your side.
15 into 10 is power 6.
15 into
10 raised to
Let's
6.
check out. What is answer? The total reluctance is 1500 into 10 to the power 4 ampere turns per Weber. Are you getting this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so thus it is being finished. Now you need to find out the reluctance of the ion path. Okay, so find out the reluctance of the ion path. Now total reluctance is found out. Next thing is you need to find out the reluctance of the air gap. So what is the formula for finding out air gap reluctance? Same formula. Lg divided by mu naught into A. Lg is how much? 0.5
Yes, ma'am. 0.5.
into 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. Area is 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 4. So use this and find out the reluctance of the air gap. Also try to solve the problem. What's the answer?
And 2.34 into 10 raised to power 6.
Okay, you are getting 2.3405 into 10 to the power 480 per Weber.
Yes, ma'am. 2.34.
This answer,
Answer I'm coming.
Ola.
Yes, ma'am. 2.34. Yeah. 2.3.
Yes, ma'am. 2.34.
Okay, so okay. Now you need to find out reluctance of the ion path. That is the total reluctance you will subtract with the S air gap. Okay. So what is your total reluctance if you got? Total reluctance is 1500.
50.
So 1500 into 10 to the power 480 per Weber minus 2.3405 into 10 to the power 4. So if you subtract, what is the answer that you are getting?
12.6.
You are getting 12.6. This answer you are getting 12.6.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, then you got the reluctance of the air gap. Okay, that you can substitute it over here, but still you don't know the length of the ion path. So how will you find out length of the ion path? As I already taught you, I want Li, that is length of the ion path. That is given by pi dm minus length of the air gap. So the diameter mean is 15 centimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
15 centimeter minus the air gap is, so this will be my length of the ion path. So are you getting 47.0739?
Forty-seven point zero five.
This all got this answer, that is 47.079 10 to the power minus 2 meter.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, now the last step. Okay, so now iron part is equivalent to Li divided by mu naught mu r A. You have found out Li, you have found out reluctance of the iron path, you know how what to substitute as mu r, mu naught. Area is also known to you. Mu r is unknown parameter. Find out mu r and Li. It is relative permeability of iron path. Yeah, all got 174. All understood this problem.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What about the rest in class, sir? Are you getting this answer? 174.
Yes, ma'am.
That is
Yes,
mu r.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we proceed to the next problem then? Next and the last problem in this part. All of you worked it out, or do you want some more time? Shall we proceed to the next problem?
Okay.
So given statement is over here. So what is being given in the problem? Again, you are having an iron rod. Okay, what is the radius of the iron rod?
1 centimeter.
So radius of the iron rod is 1 centimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter radius. It is bent to a ring of mean diameter. So what is the mean diameter that is given? Wait for 1 second. Okay, what are the other data that is given? Mean diameter is given to be 30 centimeter. Okay, and what is the number of turn?
250.
250. Okay, 250 is the number of turn, and you have to assume the relative permeability of the iron is how much?
800.
800. And the air gap length?
0.1.
So that is being converted to meter over here, right? And they have asked you to calculate what parameter? You have been asked to calculate what? Current required to find out or produce the flux is
Yes.
also given, that is phi. Okay, but it is not given in terms of Weber. Okay, it is given in terms of lines of force. So in order to convert that into Weber, what they have did it here.
Divided by 10 power.
Yes, you remember this factor, make a clue. They have given here not in terms of Weber. It is given in terms of lines. So in order to convert that lines of force into Weber, they have given 2000 divided by 10 to the power 8. Okay, if you do that, you will be getting the answer in Weber. Okay, remember this factor. Sometimes they will not give flux directly in Weber. They might give it in lines of flux. So in order to convert the lines of flux into equivalent Weber, you need to divide that by 10 to the power 8. Okay. Now, how will you proceed with the problem? Two subdivisions are given. You need to find out the current when the leakage factor is 1. Okay, there is no leakage, no magnetic leakage, means leakage factor will be 1. The second case is you need to find out the current when lambda is equal to 1.1. You know the formula for leakage factor. What is the formula? Total flux divided by useful flux now.
Use.
Yes, so you need to find out the current. First case when the leakage is neglected totally. Second case when the leakage factor is 1.1. So like in the previous problem, you have to solve here also. Again, you have to sum up the two reluctance. Okay. All right. And you need to find out current. But here the area is not directly given. So how will you calculate the area? Area is not directly given, but instead of direct data of area, they have given radius. So what is the radius that is given in the problem? Radius is given to be 1 centimeter. So pi r squared formula is used to calculate area first. Okay, so have you got the answer? Area is equal to 0.0003142.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then as usual, you know how to find out the reluctance of the air gap. What is the formula?
L by A into mu naught.
Lg divided by mu naught into A. A just now we have calculated. Lg is directly given 0.001 meter and mu naught is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. So what is the reluctance of the air gap that you are getting? I'm hoping you are getting this answer. Jai Krishna, are you solving the problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Akshit, are you solving the problem? Are you able to understand? Akshit, Vincent, Mahesh. Akshit, Vincent, Mahesh, Made. Are you there? Have you got the answer? 2.5327 10 to the power 6 ampere turn per Weber.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then
Yes,
what
ma'am.
will be your next step? Next step, I have to find the current. So using what formula can I calculate current?
Ni is equal to S phi.
What? Which formula is involving current actually? What is the formula for MMF?
Ni.
Ni. Okay, so Ni is mmf. So somehow you find the total mmf. Okay, total mmf that you equate it to Ni. Number of turns is given to be 250. So if you are able to find out total mmf, you will be able to find out the current. That is what you are going to do now. But I want total mmf. So how can I calculate the total mmf? I need to find out the air gap mmf. I need to find out the iron path mmf. Okay. Alright, then you sum it up. That will be your total mmf. Okay. Then I can consider the two cases when the leakage factor is 1 and when the leakage factor is 1.11. So just now I have finished calculating reluctance of the air gap. The answer you have got it like this. So reluctance is known. So how can I find out mmf of air gap? What is the formula? Flux is also given directly here. Flux is known to me, reluctance is known to me. Then what is the formula for mmf for air gap?
Flux into reluctance.
Reluctant into flux.
Reluctance into flux. Okay, so this is my flux. This is my reluctance that I have found out just now. So what is the answer for mmf of air gap? What about Linson, Mahesh Madhe and all? Are you people there here in the class or some problem with your mic or something, or you have gone off? Why Ritesh has logged in twice? Come on, people, what is the answer? Or 506.54 m Sankirtan.
Yes, yes.
Again, I'm calling out Linson and Mahesh Madhe and Komaravalli Akshit. Are you people here or you have simply plugged in your headphone and you went off somewhere? Okay. So people in class, you got the answer to be for the air gap to be 506.5480. So this is only for air gap. Next thing is you need to find out the mmf for iron path. Okay. So find out the iron path. The usual procedure. I think somebody has kept your mic open. Some noise I am able to hear. Find the mmf for iron path separately. Then you would sum this with the air gap mmf. That way you will be getting total mmf. For finding out like the same procedure, okay. So I want to find out mmf of iron. So SIN into phi. Okay. So phi is directly given again because leakage factor is 1. So no magnetic leakage. So whatever may be the flux that is common for air gap and iron. But I still don't know what is SI. So what is the formula that I will be using for SI? Reluctance. Li divided by mu naught mu r A. A is known to me, mu r I can understand how to substitute. Mu r is also directly given to be 800. Now the unknown parameter is Li. So what is formula for Li? Phi d minus Lg. So Lg is 0.001 meter. Diameter is 0.3. So using that I can calculate Li. Then I can find out reluctance. Then I can find out the total mmf. Find it out. Are you trying to solve the problem? What is the answer for the length of the iron path you are getting?
0.9.
0.94 you are getting.
Yes, ma'am.
Then reluctance of the iron path. As I told you, this is pi d minus Lg formula. Lg is this one and d is this one. So you are finding out Li. Then you will be finding out S iron path. So Li divided by A mu naught mu. That answer should be 2.9807 into 10 to the power 6. Then you find out total MMF. When people answer your attendance, Soumil, Reshma,
Present, ma'am.
Ritesh,
Present, ma'am.
Soumil is absent. Or your mic is not working. Prashasti is absent. Tafik,
Yes, ma'am.
Manikanta,
Present, ma'am.
Rahul.
Somal is present.
Soumil is present means you should answer attendance, no. Rahul,
Present, ma'am.
Utkarsh is present or absent? Utkarsh,
I'm 207 present.
who is 201?
207.
Did I call 207? Why you are jumping in answering your attendance? Whenever I call out your name, you tell attendance. Utkarsh, is he present or not?
Excuse
Others
me, ma'am.
in
Did you say
class?
Rahul or Rahul, ma'am?
Rahul.
Rahul is present. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, Mahesh is present, ma'am.
I have not called out Mahesh's name. What were you doing when I was calling you earlier? From the beginning of the class, I am calling Mahesh.
Actually, my network connection is a problem, ma'am.
Okay, all rest I have already told you how to solve the problem. You have to continue with the problem till before I take attendance, you have to tell me what is the answer for current for the first case. Are you people solving or not? Next step is you need to find out the total MMF. Then you have to substitute in the formula for N into I. Find out I, that's all. Okay, Utkarsh is present or not? Number 149. Utkarsh. I think he is not present. Utkarsh is absent. Arun Roshan,
Yes, ma'am.
Rahil, George, George and Piyush.
Yes, ma'am.
George is present. I think Rahul is not present. Very good. Rahul Anthony George is absent. Who is asking excuse?
Ma'am, Akhil, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay,
I
Rahul
just
is
got my
See, Piyush.
Yes, ma'am.
Piyush.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhanush.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhanush.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Mudimala.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhruv.
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Joshua Nathaniel. Absent.
Ma'am. Dhruv.
What about Joshua? Veeravardhan.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Who is asking excuse?
Ma'am. Dhruv.
Okay, you told that you are present. No.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Joshua is absent. Okay, Veeravardhan. Veeravardhan. Janavaram. Veeravardhan. See, when I am calling your names, you should answer your attendance. Okay, or else I am going to mark you people absent. Then if it is marked absent for you, then you should not blame me.
అయిపోతుంది కదా క్లాస్
I
అయిపోయినాక
cannot shout. What? I cannot shout 100 times for one person. Riti Kumar Punya is absent. Yash Yadav is absent. Mayank.
Present, ma'am. Mayank present.
Jai Krishna.
present ma'am.
Marilla.
Present ma'am.
Tambe. Yashwant.
Tambe is present, ma'am.
Well, he is present.
Tejaswani.
Ma'am, I am having pain in the throat. Sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I am unable to speak today.
Tejaswani.
Present,
Nagashaini.
ma'am.
Prabhas.
Present, ma'am.
Ayush Raj.
Present, ma'am.
Shashi Akshit.
Present ma'am.
Varun Malhotra. Shrish.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Shrish. Rajarshi. Shivanesh.
Ma'am, Shivanesh present, ma'am.
Ma'am, I suddenly disconnected, ma'am. Please mark me present.
Who?
Shrish, ma'am.
Okay. Sai Neeraj. Agarwal. Devak Nandan.
Present, ma'am.
Agrawal. Jai present.
Ma'am, Sainer is present.
Okay. Sai Pritam. I think he's absent. Sai Pritam. Kush Soni. Samyukta.
Abhyukta, present, ma'am.
Present ma'am.
Sai Pritam is absent, no? Rajdeep.
Present, ma'am. Present. Rajdeep present.
Topu. Karthik.
Present ma'am.
Ramcharan. Vaibhav.
Present ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Vaibhav.
Present ma'am.
Yes,
Vaibhav.
ma'am. Vaibhav present, ma'am.
Rishi. Aryan.
Ma'am. Aryan present. 190.
Rishi.
Rishi present ma'am.
Mahesh. Akhil.
Ma'am, Mahesh present, ma'am.
Akhil.
Hello, ma'am. Swami Kalkata 141 present. Ma'am, Mahesh present.
Chinmoy. Rishabh.
Present ma'am. 190 present ma'am. Shima present.
Ma'am, 191 present. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, Swami Kalkata 141 present.
Utsav Anand. Singhu Mohan.
Present ma'am. Singu Mohan.
Puneet Kumar. Rati.
Hello, ma'am.
Om Rati. Puneet. Jay Praveen and Sai Gokul.
Present ma'am. Gokul present.
What about Sai Praveen? Sorry, Jay Praveen. Pakuru Jay Praveen. Tanishq is present.
Yes, ma'am. Tanish present.
I think Jay Praveen is absent.
Hello, ma'am. Can you please check?
I am not checking anybody's attendance. Once you have lost your voice, then I will mark you absent.
Ma'am, but you went too fast. 192
Not too
Akhil.
fast.
Yes, ma'am, it was fast. 191 Mahesh also present.
Okay, people solved the problem or not? This is why I
No,
do not
ma'am.
call people on nominal roll. Okay, we will check the attendance and then only we'll put. Okay, have you people solved the problem? What about Nimesh Pandey? Have you understood
I
my?
got the same answer.
Okay, we'll move on back to the problem. Okay, what is the answer that you are getting for the first case? What is the answer?
4.41 ampere.
Okay, we got this answer finally, 4.4107. All got the answer?
Yes, ma'am. 4.41.
Okay,
Yes,
second
ma'am.
case. Okay, second case when the leakage factor is 1.11. In that case, you know what is the flux that is given in the problem. That is, I think, 0.2 milliweber it is given. Okay. Now, leakage factor lambda is given to be 1.11. That is the ratio between phi total divided by phi useful. Okay. So, using that formula, you have to calculate that total flux. So you cross multiply 1.1 into 0.2. Okay, that will be your flux in the air ion path. Okay, this is only one change that you need to do when they are specifying the value of leakage factor. All right. Other things are same. You already found out the reluctance of the air gap that you have to retain. Only the change that you have to do is you have to find out the fresh MMF for ion path using this new flux. Okay, you cannot use 0.2 milliweber alone. You need to multiply 0.2 with 1.11. Then you substitute in the formula for MMF for ion path. Then, as usual procedure, you have to proceed. Tell me the answer for this case. What is the answer that you are getting? The one change that you have to do is you have to multiply 0.2 with that leakage factor 1.11. Now there will be a change in the flux required for ion path. With that you have to find out the MMF, then total MMF, then current.
.64 ampere.
4.64. All got 4.64?
Yes, ma'am. I got 4.64.
Okay. Okay, Ashwant, okay. I got it for the first time when you told that your throat was paining. Now stop buzzing.
Ma'am, can you check for Rahil, ma'am? He is telling that his
Yes,
mic was.
yes. Put in chat box 100 times that I am present. I am present.
Yes,
I am
ma'am.
seeing.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, you didn't take my attendance. 206.
I am not calling out nominal roll here afterwards.
Ma'am, you didn't call my name, ma'am.
Who?
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshman.
Who?
Lakshman, ma'am. 202.
Lakshmana. Okay, I know you are present.
And Aditya, ma'am.
Aditya also I did not call. Yes, I know.
Ma'am, Ramcharan present, ma'am.
Okay, everybody is present now. Stop fuzzing and you concentrate on problem rather than telling I am present, I am present. All finished up the problem, huh? Shall we move on to the next
Yes,
topic? You
Yes,
understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Then we will move on to one new concept. With that, I will so finish up this today's class. Okay. The next thing is Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. I have already told you in the lab class what does it mean, how it will be stated. So what is Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction?
And change of flux induce EMF.
Yes, so d phi by dt is equal to my EMF, that is electromotive force. Okay, that will be given by minus n. N is the number of turns. Okay, so in order to have this EMF generated, I need to have what setup? But also I explained in Laplace.
Ma'am, two paramagnets, ma'am,
What?
and a rotating conductor.
Magnetic field and rotating
You need to have a
conductor.
magnetic field via which the flux lines are set up like this. These are flux lines in which
And rotating conductor.
you are to keep a rotating coil. The number of turns will be n. Okay. So if the ends will be connected to the load which you need to power up with the EMF. So you need to keep the coil rotated. So whenever it rotates, it will cut the flux lines. There will be a change of flux. Okay, that will be inducing EMF. This law is called as what law?
Faraday's
Faraday's law of
Faraday's law of
electromagnetic
electromagnetic
induction.
why this negative sign is present? That will
Ma'am,
be
it is for direction.
The negative sign tells you that whatever may be the resultant effect, that is opposing its cause. Okay. So EMF is produced as the output, means it will oppose its cause for generation. So that is being told by the negative sign, and that law is called as what law?
Lenz law.
Lenz law. Okay, so this Faraday's law and Lenz law work in combination. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction is giving you what formula? E is equal to minus n into d phi by dt. Okay, so the minus sign indicates that the resultant output will be always opposing its cause of production. That law is called as what law again?
To the direction of EMF.
Opposite to the direction of force causing it.
Lenz's law. Okay,
Yes.
Lenz law.
Ma'am, it opposes.
Yes, Lenz law. Okay, Lenz law. These two laws working on. Yes, it opposes. Okay. Now the next thing that you need to discuss about is the two types of EMF. One is static induced EMF, and the other one is dynamic induced EMF. One is statically induced EMF, and the other one is dynamically induced EMF. Just now I told you if you are having a magnetic field, this magnetic field is stationary or it is rotating? This is stationary. So this is your static magnetic field. Okay, static magnetic field. But what is kept rotating?
Conducting coil.
Conductor. So conductor is made to rotate. Okay, so this is the setup. Okay, so a rotating conductor placed in a static magnetic field, the resultant will be dynamically induced EMF. Understood? How dynamically induced EMF is generated? So what is the setup that you want to have for dynamically induced EMF? You need to have a stationary magnetic field in which you are to rotate the conductor. So if you are doing that, there will be a rate of change of flux which will be inducing a what type of EMF? Dynamically or statically? Dynamically. Okay. Example is what? Example for the setup is what machine? What is the working principle? Generator. Yes, very good. Generator. Okay, generator is a good example for dynamically induced EMF. Okay, other hand, you consider a transformer. Okay, transformer, where you are having a core. This is your core. On the core, you are having a primary coil wound and a secondary coil wound. Here you are giving an AC supply, because of which current starts to flow. Okay, and flux setup. That flux will be magnetically coupled with the secondary coil. and because of which it will lead to I2 and it will be delivered to the load. Okay, this is transformer. Okay, here also EMF is induced or not induced. Here you are giving supply, current is starting to flow, flux is set up. So because of this flux, you will be having an EMF that is called as what EMF?
Inducing.
Self-induced EMF. Okay, self-induced EMF. Because of its own flux, because of its own current, an EMF is generated. So that EMF is called as what EMF?
Ma'am,
What EMF?
ma'am, self-induced.
Self-induced EMF. Now the flux is partially linking with the secondary coil. Okay, phi 1, 2. Let this phi 1, 2 be the flux linking the secondary coil, because of which the current is I2 and it will be generating E2. Okay, this E2 will be called as mutually induced EMF. Okay, so you understood the difference between mutual and self-induced EMF?
Ma'am, would you please repeat, ma'am?
Okay, consider a transformer, primary coil and secondary coil. Okay, so here you are having an AC supply. Because of this AC supply, there is a current and flux set up. Okay, so because of this flux, there will be an EMF that is called a self-induced EMF. Because of its own current, own flux, some EMF is induced, that is called a self-induced EMF. But these two are magnetically coupled, so part of the flux will be linking with the secondary coil also. So phi 1 to be the flux linking, because of which current will be I2 and EMF will be E2. This EMF is because of the partial linking of the flux, phi 1 2. So that EMF will be called as what EMF? Mutually induced EMF. Understood the difference?
Yes.
All of
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is where you are having what type of field and what type of conductor arrangement.
Stationary conductor.
Here I am having a core. Core is nothing but magnetic medium only. So this is my core, that is magnetic medium. This is my copper coil, that is a conductor. Okay, conductor medium. So because of this current, there will be a flux that is set up. That flux be shown by this dotted line, green color line, that is a flux. Okay, that flux is time varying. Okay, that flux is time varying. So with respect to this time varying flux, the EMF is induced again as per a mutually induced EMF principle. So here if you are considering the magnetic field is time varying. Okay, magnetic field is time varying, but what about the conductor?
It's stationary.
Stationary. Stationary primary coil, stationary secondary coil you are having. So this way, what type of EMF is generated? There are two types of EMF I told you.
Static induced EMF.
Statically induced EMF. Okay, so a good example is what machine?
Transformer.
Transformer. Okay, so you have discussed what is Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. What is it?
Minus n into
E
d
is
phi by
equal
dt
to
is equal
minus
to
n d
EMF.
phi by dt. So this negative sign is because of what law?
Lens.
Lens. That means the output resultant will be opposing its cause of production. Okay. Then this EMF is classified into two categories. First one is dynamically, other one is statically.
Static.
So what is the difference between these two?
In
Dynamically means static
magnetic field.
field, then rotating conductor.
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 Example is generator. Okay, statically means flux will
Varying
be,
magnetic field.
yes, flux will be time varying and conductor arrangement will be
Static.
stationary. So what is the example?
Transformer.
Transformer.
Transform. Okay, transform. Okay, alright, that's all. With this, we will close the class. Next class, we will discuss how to derive the formula for L. What is L?
Ma'am, self-inductance.
Self-inductance. What is M?
Mutual inductance.
Mutual inductance. Okay, so we
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be learning out how to derive the formula for all these things. Okay, and how is it different. With this, we will close class today. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
all of you to
Ma'am,
Thank
I
you.
had a doubt. Last class you had not removed my attendance.
Last class, I did not remove my attendance. Who is talking to me actually?
Ma'am, did you mark me present? Because during my attendance, everyone was shouting. So.
Yes, I will also shout that way. Everything will go topsy-turvy way. It's not a problem. I'm having another name list. Okay, that is automatically marked. I will cross-check with it and I will give presence. Okay.
Okay,
Who
ma'am.
was
Okay,
asking
ma'am.
me
Okay,
doubt
ma'am.
now? Somebody
Ma'am,
was
last
telling me that
time,
last class.
last class,
Who?
Somil Baldota.
I never marked Saumil Baldota absent last class. Who told you that I marked you absent? Go check your attendance again properly.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so all the others, have you understood today's class discussion?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Short answers
ma'am.
from everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So regarding
Yes,
attendance
ma'am.
here afterwards, I will not call your names. It's always a mess
Madam,
when it comes to online meet. What?
madam,
Madam, I am hearing, but who is speaking?
158 trained, ma'am.
158, what is the name? I cannot memorize numbers. You have to tell me that
Jannavaram
I am
Veeravardhan
speaking.
Reddy, madam.
Who?
Jannavaram Veeravardhan Reddy.
You